Alright, we're going to try out something new today. Experiment like usual. I'm going to go for a ride. It's my day off. Nice day. Trying to go for a longer ride. I stuck my other camera in the saddlebag to see if we can pick up the exhaust notes to see how obnoxious or good that sounds. I go see my dad at the cemetery first. It's a little bit, half an hour, 40 minutes as it is. I'll see you on the road. Alright, here we go. I just smacked my back. Hopefully I heard that. To sync it up as when to start, so we're probably just going a little cruise. Sounds like it's windy as hell. Looks like my rear mirror got all types of screwed up. When it fell over to the other side though, so I don't know what that's all about. Does that work? That might work. Looks like that one might be. Exactly how is this one kind of okay, and it fell onto that side. I don't have cruise. Speed limit's slow. Apparently it's windy as shit. We're in third gear because I'm speeding as it is. Actually, I think it is 35 right now. It changes to 25 soon. Yeah, it's 35 now. So we're gonna go for a little cruise. Maybe practice somewhere, I don't know. Had a nice video by Moto Jitsu followed by Moto Control yesterday and got in a nice little YouTube war. Wowzer. Here's the horsies. Here's the horsies. I'm not gonna stand up now. We got like 25 mile an hour crosswinds going at me right now. I almost called it a puppy. Cows are big dogs. My chain yesterday. Did it the old-fashioned way by just pushing it little by little. Because now I'm afraid again to put it on my tire stand. Since they knocked it over, I need to try and find the hooks. I got the spools on there. I need to try and find the hooks, but they're all square tubing and mine's round. So that's not actually going to help me. That will not exactly work, and I'm probably going to have to get gas sometime, unfortunately. It's not broken, but it's definitely, I'm gonna have to adjust it. case I feel like switching them out. Still rocking with whatever microphone position and dog bandana I have covering it, along with the windsock down by my mouth. Seemed to sound at least a little bit better. Eventually might have to cave when I got money and get one of those actual external DJI style microphone things, but I'm cheap, so I'll buy a cheap one. But I don't know. Even one video I watched yesterday specifically using a newer DJI microphone with the newer DJI 4 didn't really sound that much better. what's going on with it in the saddlebag. It's attached to the tripod, which like just kind of fits in there width-wise, so it might be lucky. It might not move at all, unless it. I could definitely see it like tipping over, smashing against the saddlebag. The bird was here. That's what we do in flight, so don't need fifth, that's for sure. the next debatable thing of what gear to drive in. Third, I'm kind of okay with. I don't like driving in the low gears. plenty of gas. This thing isn't like super accurate either. Like you see, it bounces all in place all the time. Light here, but I don't know how I feel about turning in it. That kind of connects still has to go in, or I don't have to shut anything on. I might as well shut it all off now.